Hey guys, it's been a little while since I did a video. I've got my Papa Hog here, and as you can see, I've got the north vents completely open. We've got about almost 78 degrees in here. These are my microgreen beds, which of course are no longer micro. We've been harvesting some radishes out of here, and as you can see, they're getting eaten up by caterpillars, unfortunately. But you know, they got to eat too. So now what I've done, this one geyser pump kept lifting itself up, so I added some tiles to it to keep it down. Everything is going great. As you can see, the system keeps running even when it's low on water. I need to add some water. And now we'll take a quick look at the fish, and then I'll let you go. You guys have a great day, and talk to you soon. Oh, wait, let's come over here. This was my mushroom bed, which now is growing some weird type of fungus. Here's another grow bed. Of course, there's more microgreens over there. Here's some mint that is taking off like crazy, and you can see how beautiful this mint looks. Lots of nitrogen in the water. And there's my little banana tree that is putting out new leaves. And that's all I got for now. You guys have a great day.